Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Priceless Brenda and I'm a YouTuber based in Italy. And if you're an old subscriber or rather you've been watching me for a very long time, thank you so much for always tuning in to watch my videos. I really appreciate it and I'm not taking you guys for granted. And for those of you that have not subscribed, tell me, what are you waiting for? Please hit on the red subscribe button, turn on your post notification to always notify you whenever I post a new video. Thanks and God bless. So today I don't want the video to be too long. I want to talk about peeling solutions. Okay, I have a peeling solution here from The Ordinary. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I want to talk about it a little bit and I want to tell you how to use it correctly, okay? Because a lot of people get peeling solutions and use it wrongly, okay? Very, very wrong. So I want to tell you how to use it today. And for people, I want to tell you the people that need these peeling solutions. Okay, I will advise people, anybody that wants to get this peeling solution, your problem should not be if you have acne, okay, a severe acne, those acne that are that hurts, those acne that will be on your face that when you even touch your face you feel pain. You don't need peeling solution, please. You don't need it, okay? The when you want to use this peeling solution is only when your acne are gone and you have black spots, you have sunburn and a lot of things. Okay, maybe your face and your face, they are not blended together. That's when you need peeling solution to get rid of those dark place and make the face blend. Okay, so first off, I will recommend The Ordinary peeling solutions to you guys. This is a hard 30% BHA 2% peeling solution. Okay, I got it online. Okay, you can order it online. Okay, you can also go to their shop. I base in Italy. You can go to Milano to get these peeling solutions. Okay, and please, my advice, okay, this peeling solution is just for the face. A lot of people do too much. This place, it is written facial. It is just for the face. Do not go ahead and use this peeling solution on your knuckle because a lot of people have dark knuckles. Do not go ahead and use this peeling solution on your knuckles because it's going to destroy your knuckles. Do not use it on your skin. It's just basically for the face. And please always follow the instructions. Always follow the instructions. This place, it is written 10 minutes, and please, 10 minutes should be 10 minutes. Do not exceed that time, because if you should exceed that time, it's going to burn your face. Okay, and please do not water your face before applying it, or do not wash your face, or rather scrub it. A lot of people, they like scrubbing every day, which is very wrong. Do not scrub your face before using these peeling solutions, especially for those people using lightening products or rather skin bleaching products. Do not exfoliate your face before using these peeling solutions on your face. This peeling solution work really well, but there are a lot of things you do not need to do before using it. Do not use it on your lips. A lot of people even use their body cream on their lips. Do not use peeling solutions on your lips. Use it around it, on this area, all over your face. Okay, be careful with the eyes. Do not use peeling solutions on your lips. Do not, if you want a pink lips, there are other remedies you can go into and you get pink lips. Do not use peeling solutions on your lips. It is very wrong and it's going to destroy your lips, either by peeling it really hard that it will damage it, and to be so soft that even if you poke it, even when you poke it, you're going to get hurt. Please do not use it on your lips. Okay, do not use it on your skin. Do not scrub before applying it, and do not use it on your lips. I'm begging you. Okay, I will just go ahead now and show you how I use it, because this is It is maybe after 9 here already, so it looks like this. You can see I just remove it. Okay, and please, so before I apply it, I want to tell you people, if you know your face has no, you don't have too much hyperpigmentation, you don't have a lot of things on your face that is going to make you use this thing for a very long time, please use it once a week. Please, I'm advising you, use it once a week. But if you know your hyperpigmentation is a lot and you want to get rid of it, acne scars and all of that, use it 2 or 3 times a week. Okay, please do not do too much, I'm begging. Okay, so it is red in color. Okay, don't do too much. See how it looks like. Just apply a little. A little can go a very very long way. Okay, guess what, this is evening, I also go and take my bath. I'll just use a little bit of it on my face. Okay, and before going to shower, and please, when you are doing your shower, do not scrub your face so hard. Just rinse it out. Use your soap to rinse it out. Okay, don't do too much inside the bathroom. Okay, so let me just go ahead. See what I'm doing. Apply it. You see the color, it is red. You can apply with your hand, you can apply with a brush, makeup brush. See. Hmm? Hmm? Do not allow it to touch your lips. Okay, mm. Caution, this peeling solution is a little bit tinglish. When I mean tinglish, it's a little bit pepperish on the face. Do not use it and feel it's a pepperish and you just run and rinse it off and say it's reacting. No, that's how it is. So just use it and leave it 10 minutes. If you cannot leave it for 10 minutes, it's okay, but do not exceed 10 minutes. 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, it's okay. Do not exceed 10 minutes. Maximum is 10 minutes. The minimum should be 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, please, so it can work very well. Okay. Like I said, try not to rub on your lips. You see, I did not rub it around my eyes because I don't want any reactions, but it works really well. It works really well. It's like it's not in this area. You see, I'm using it small small. This thing, it has been long I bought it, to maybe 4 months now, because I don't use it all the time. Once in a while it's okay. Once in a while it's okay. Then I will come back and show you the after look. Your nose area, try and always rub it on your nose. Okay, your T-zone area, always try, whatever product you're using, always try to use it on your T-zone area. Always try. Okay, I think it's okay now. You can see how it looks on the face. I have, you know, few pimples came out of my face because of, you know, monthly wahala now, or monthly flow. You see, few ones, so they will go. Okay, they will go definitely. So I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes, then I will be back. Okay, please do not go anywhere so you can see the outcome of how it looks. All right, thanks and God bless. I'll see you later. You guys, I'm back. Okay, so like you can see, I just came out from the shower. You can see how it's looking. Okay, with consistency it will get better. When I mean with consistency, I do not say you should be using it every day, but be consistent with your once a week, twice or 3 times in a week. Okay, if your face is already smooth, you just want to remove a little bit of black spot, blackhead or whatever, once in a week is okay for you. If your face is damaged, like when I mean damaged, not too damaged, but this the acne are gone but the scars are still there, the sunburn are still there, please use it twice or 3 times in a day. Okay, and please, when you are inside the bathroom, do not use a facial sponge, because this is a chemical, it's a peeling solution, so you don't need a facial sponge to scrub your face. Just use a mild soap and, you know, wash it out. All right, you don't need too much inside the bathroom. You can do wash your body with sponge, but your face, do not use a facial sponge. Okay, please, like I said earlier, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell. Now I'll say peace out, bye bye.